everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a shopping haul video that I wanted to share with you because I got some new colors of Artisan cardstock and I also got some new colors of the Glamour cardstock, but I did kind of go through and I kind of restocked on a few things. I just wanted to share with you what I did. So the first thing that I did was I restocked on my glue. So I did get my art glitter glue. I got a couple bottles of that. You can never have too much art glitter glue, and now that the weather is permitting shipping, I decided to stock up. So I got 2 bottles of this, and then I got all of this. You guys, this is amazing. So one of the things that I did stock up on because I was completely out was the twine, the jute twine that they have. I got natural and I got the, what is it called? Now I'm... Natural and ivory. So I got those 2 things, and I did get a whole bunch because I've been going through it a lot lately and I was totally out. So I decided to do that. The other thing that I was totally out of is this seam binding. So if you're like me and you go through a lot of seam binding, you can buy these at Country Craft Creations in 100-yard rolls. So I went through my black, and it took a while. It did take a while, but I do go through it quite a bit. So I decided to get another roll of that. So you can see, I mean, like it's even like past the spool. There's so much on here. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now, for those of you who haven't used seam binding, this is really awesome. And I like that you can either leave it nice and flat as it comes off of the roll, or you can take it and spritz it with water and then scrunch it up and let it dry, and then it has that great crinkly effect. So I always keep a little spray bottle near me because you just have to do a few spritz and then, you know, you scrunch it up, let it dry. It takes just a few minutes and then you're done. If you want to do like a bunch in a batch, then just run it under the tap, really scrunch it up, and then I kind of wrap it in a towel and wring it out, and then just keep it in a clump and let it dry. And then I can do yards at a time that way. And usually I let it dry overnight and it works great. So yeah, I got stocked up on that. So I'm really excited about that because I mean, black goes with almost everything, right? One of the other things that I did stock up on is I love these graphic 45 tags. And I got the die from Country Craft Creations to do the mats for them. And I do love using these in projects. So I got a couple packages of those because I have a couple ideas in my brain for some upcoming things. Then I kind of went to town and I got some stuff that I've been looking for. As far as, well, I should say, so as far as the rest of the restock, I did restock on white, black, and summer ivory Artisan cardstock. These are real great go-to cardstocks. I was going to get some natural, but they were sold out. But the next order, I'll go ahead and get some more of that. But these are great cardstocks. Now, I did get the 87 pound. If you look on the website and you're trying to find it, because they have different weights now. So they have 100 pound, which is great for making boxes and things like that. Using it for folios if you don't want to use any chipboard, those kinds of things. So they have 100 pound. And then they also have now 65 pound cardstock, which is great for making mats. So this, if it doesn't say either 100 or 65 pound, then it's 87 pound. This Artisan cardstock, if you have never used it, it is the most amazing cardstock ever. And honestly, for making my albums, my cards, everything, this is the bomb. This is what you want to use for your bases. So I use the 87 pound to cover my albums. I use it to make cards. I use it for a lot of different things. But now, you know, we also have some options with the 100 and the 65 pounds. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. So that's what I kind of stocked up on. And then I got some new stuff that I wanted to try out. So one of the things that I did get was this beautiful package of ribbon from Prima, and it is called In Full Bloom. And I'm going to open it because it looks amazing. It looks like all of these spools are individually wrapped, and it's this beautiful frayed edge kind of, I guess almost organza type ribbon. I'm not sure. Let's see if it says exactly what it is. It does not. It just says ribbon. But it's really pretty and it's really sheer. Let me open this one for you. I like that they're all packaged in their own individual little wrappers too. Look how sheer that is and how beautiful that is. So this would be great. I've used this type of ribbon before in my albums. They look great on tops of tags. They look great, you know, for a closure. Beautiful. But each of these has a yard on them. So they came in all of these beautiful colors. And I thought for spring projects, you know, these would be amazing. So I did pick those up because I do want to use these in some upcoming ideas that I had. And so, yeah, there's that. And I'm going to, of course, squish it, trying to get back in the little protective little package. So anyway, that's by Prima in full bloom. You get 5 colors, 1 yard each, and it's amazing. I just love it. So I got that. And then along with my other ribbon restock, I bought, and look at how they package this. Isn't this gorgeous? The ladies at Country Craft Creations, they really do take care in packing your items in your boxes. I have never, ever, ever had any trouble with what the contents of my shipping box is. They just pack it so beautifully. I mean, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I almost don't want to open it, but I'm going to. So I bought 4 of these new satin ribbons, and I'll take one out to show you. They are double-sided. So this side is black, this side is this beautiful silver, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up this one, and then let me read off the colors for you. It's called 2-color reversible satin with woven edge ribbons. So I got orange and black because, you know, Halloween. And then I also picked up, I got the black and silver, I got antique gold and brown, and then I got an antique gold with champagne. I mean, look at how pretty these are. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at the colors. So I think this would be amazing in some upcoming projects. And I whoops, now that I messed it up, I tried to pick colors that would be kind of, you know, neutral so that they would go with lots of projects. But then when I saw the black and the orange, I just had to get that because, you know, like I said, Halloween, right? So I got that. And then, let's see, down here, I see peeking out, I did grab some Graphic 45 antique jewels, ivory and champagne, and these are gorgeous little jeweled adhesive backed gem dots, and so I thought those would be really pretty on some projects. They're neutral colors, so they should go with a lot of different projects. And so now I'm kind of stocking up on some different things that I can add to my projects. Then you guys, I know you've seen the lives. I got one of every one of the new cardstock colors. You guys, these are amazing. I absolutely love these new bright colors. So I'm going to get my list so I can tell you the names for sure. So I got whipped cream. I got pink lemonade. I got lilac, bubblegum, and blueberry. Is this not beautiful? These are amazing. And one of the other reasons why I got this is because in a previous, you know, haul that I got for shopping, I got Kitchen Memories, and I thought these colors might look really pretty with this paper collection. So I have had a couple requests once I showed this that I got it to do a Kitchen Memories album, and so I'm going to be doing it, but I wanted to get a few extra things first before I do that. This will be kind of an extra design team project as I purchase this for myself, but I thought some of these colors would look really great with it. And also what I wanted to do was order the recipe cards. So I did get the recipe cards that go with this collection, and you saw that I got an 8x8 pack of Kitchen Memories. I did get the recipe cards. These are 12x12 sheets, and they each have 6. So look at how pretty those are. There's 2 different styles, lots of room to write your recipes on. So there's this style here and then this style here. So you have quite a variety of different cards that you can use, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So I did get 2 sheets of those because, you know, what's a recipe book without recipe cards, right? So now that I have kind of all of that stuff that I can choose what colors I'm going to use, and this will be amazing. So I'm excited about this. These come in 8x11, 8.5x11, I should say, and they're 15 sheets per pack. So you get quite a lot for the price. So I got one of each so I can have those, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. Then the last thing that I did was I got the new colors of the Glamour paper that I did not have. So I'll just spread those out so you can see. I got 2 sheets of each. That's kind of what I've been doing. And eventually what I'm going to do is as I use these, I'm going to make a little swatch. Let me show you. I started one with some colors that I have already used out of the scraps that were left over. And I just took one of my tag punches and made a little swatch so I can have a little kind of visual of what colors I have and what they look like. And then I can kind of match them to projects and see, you know, which ones would work and, you know, all that. So I'm creating that as I'm using these. So the colors that I did get for this, and I'm going to look at my sheet so I don't steer you wrong, are, dun, 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 I got sand, there's latte, dark chocolate, and copper. Okay, so sand, latte, dark chocolate, copper, and they're just gorgeous. I love this paper. I have used this a couple times in a couple of my projects, and absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So, and they work great. They go through your cutter, no problem, no glitter all over the place. Because I was making glitter pens, if you guys have been watching my channels, and OMG, I totally spilled my glitter everywhere. It was an absolute disaster. I'm glad that wasn't on camera, I gotta tell you. So there's that. Can you tell I've had a lot of caffeine today? I think I've had a lot of caffeine. So that's kind of what I wanted to share with you for my shopping haul. So I got my Glamour paper. I got a package of each of the new beautiful colors of Artisan cardstock. I did get my recipe cards so that I can work on the recipe album that I have been promising using this from a previous shopping haul. And then I got gems that will work with a lot of different projects. I got tags, the Graphic 45 black tags that I can use with my die that I purchased a while ago from Country Craft Creations so I can mat them perfectly. I got these beautiful ribbons that are going to be absolutely stunning. These are new in the shop. They're the satin double-sided ribbons, and they're just gorgeous. I stocked up on my twine because I was out, and then I bought this beautiful ribbon from Prima. So those beautiful colors, I think those are going to work with the recipe album. I think some of them will work. And then I got my seam binding that I ran out of. So, you know, super happy. Got my glue. I mean, I'm good to go. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I'll have links to all of the things I purchased down below. So if you want to go check them out, you can. And I really appreciate you watching. So come to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Check out the shopping. Check out Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. The links are through the store, and also I'll put a link down below. If you haven't joined, it's a Facebook group page that is amazing, and all of us designers will post all of our projects. You will see them. You will get access to all of the information for retreats and virtual retreats and all the things that we do. And all of our tutorials, you know, that we do on a regular basis are for free. And there's a lot of us designers that are doing them. So, you know, great access to all kinds of information and fun stuff. And it's a great community. I'm so super proud and honored to be a part of it. So thank you again for watching. I will see you again soon. Thank you for all of your support, and stay crafty. Have a great day. Bye-bye.